Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Hypernatural.ai, a powerful AI tool that can let you instantly generate engaging video content from text prompts. Whether you are telling a story or create a polished product advertisement, this tool can do it in a minute. I will walk you through 2 examples. Using this AI tool, you don't need to deploy anything. All you need is a browser and type this link hypernatural.ai. This is the landing page of the Hypernatural. You can find the introductions about the product. This is the dashboard of the Hypernatural. It's super easy to learn Hypernatural, don't worry about it. So basically, you just tell Hypernatural what you want to make here. And then we have a few easy parameters you can tweak. After that, click the button and you got your video. After that, you can upload your video, your content to any platform you preferred, like the TikTok, maybe YouTube, whatever. You can go viral, you can promote your product, or maybe you can share a story, whatever you want. You can do anything. You can be anything. Alright, what I want to be today, I want to make a meaningful story. Before we start to make our own story, we can find some inspiration below. There are tons of the popular ideas from the community you can find, and we have a nice category, for example, like the book talk, like the cultural, maybe fan fiction, for kids, learning, marketing, romantic, and spooky. By clicking all the ideas, you can immediately find the prompts already generated in the box. So this is super easy for the people who don't know what they want to make. And below here, we have an inspiration tab. And after click that, you can find a lot of inspirations from the community. All that are made by Veo 3, which is the latest video generator by Google. And below here, we also have new videos from the community.
Maybe we could finally check out that new art exhibit downtown?
You can also find the formula to make this video. You can find the style they are using and the character they are using, also the prompt they are using. And let's go back home. Let's make a Van Gogh story. The prompt is 3 surprising facts about Van Gogh, his art, and life. And you can tweak about the style. You can also change the style to 3D animation or 8-bit animate, whatever you preferred. There are a lot of styles to be choose from. And here you can even customize the style. By create a new style, basically you just need to upload an image and type the title and the description and you're all set. But for now, let's use a default one which is perfect for art and cultural or historical. And for the loans, we have a short, classic, and a long form. I suggest we use the short this time. And for the aspect ratio, if you are running your business on TikTok or Shorts, you can use this 9 to 16. 16 to 9 is basically what we call the landscape. It's widely used in the long video form. So let's click here and click this green button. So the second step is create a script for our story, 3 surprising facts about Van Gogh. And basically we're doing nothing because AI did it for me. And I can tweak about the narrator. We can choose from Alice or Adam. You can click here to preview the voice.
Every character deserves the right voice.
We're already familiar with the narrator style and aspect ratio. What about the character? We have 2 characters in our story. One is Van Gogh, another is Doctor. And what's this guy? What's this Ram here? Ram is a professional actor. Oh, sorry, AI actor in Hypernatural. So you can ask Ryan to play Van Gogh. Same goes with the Doctor. If you're not satisfied with the script, you can click here, type your prompt, change the script. If your target is not English spoken country, you can change the languages from English to any languages on the list. And you can change to shorter or longer story as well. If you're fine with this script, let's click the make a video. Hey, here we go. We have our Van Gogh casting by Ryan. And beneath, we have a long timelines where we can tweak from. So double click to change the subtitle. And this part is really important. Click this button, generate video by this image. Let's click here. You can click here to animate this image or click here to open a library. Yeah, you can use all the materials inside of the Hypernatural now. Let's give a second to convert the video from image. And above here, we have many tools as well. For example, like the caption style. So you notice that we have subtitle, right? So you can change the style by click different preview image. And second one is add a title or logo. You can customize your logo here. If you find it's not enough, you can generate an image and insert to the timeline. If this is not satisfied with you, you can also upload a media. You can even add memes to the video. And here we have layer sessions. So you can change the transition of the animation. We can click here to preview the video.
Did you know Van Gogh only sold one painting during his lifetime?
And also you can change the speed of the video by click here. If you are happy with the whole video, you can click here, export video. So I want the highest quality. And for the format, you have a different format. Let's choose a vertical one. And let's click the star export.
Did you know Van Gogh only sold one painting during his lifetime? It was called the Red Vineyard near Arles. Van Gogh voluntarily admitted himself to an asylum in Saint-Rémy for a year. He painted many of his most famous works, including The Starry Night and Wheatfield with Crows, while living there. The ear incident is still a mystery. It's popularly believed he cut off his own ear, but some historians believe it was actually Gauguin during a fight. It is believed that Van Gogh shot himself in a wheat field, though the gun was never found. He died 2 days later.
Let's try to make a product video by Hypernatural, okay? Let's use iPhone 16 Pro as an example, okay? You know, the latest version of the iPhone is very popular those days. And how do you like it? Let's rethink if we are the marketing people of the Apple company and how do we promote it on a short video. Let's go back to Hypernatural and let's upload some photos of the product by click here. Okay, we already upload 3 photos of the iPhone 16 Pro and let's type the prompt. And let's choose the aspect ratio, the length, and also the style. For style, I highly recommend using a photographic one. And let's click this green button. Okay, we have our script. Let's review it. Wow, it's nice. So let's click the make video. All right, now we have the timeline. Let's do some tweaks. Okay, so first one, I decide to make it into video. So let's click the animate. And second one also. Okay, let's download this video. Choose a format and choose the aspect ratio, click the star export. This is how you design a product promoting video by using Hypernatural. Super easy, super fast.
Anna is about to experience the future of mobile technology. She takes out the all-new iPhone 17 Pro. Notice with its vibrant display and customized lock, "Wow, the image quality is amazing," Anna exclaimed. Processor, the iPhone 17 Pro is designed to elevate, stay connected, stay productive, stay entertained.
Besides all this, click My Videos, where you can find your previous video from here, and you're able to create a new character by using your own image, which means you can keep the consistency of the short video. So that is Hypernatural.ai in action. You can go from text prompt to fully produced video in minutes, whether it's telling a Van Gogh story or launching a product campaign. This tool can make content creation accessible to everyone. If you want to try it yourself, I will leave the link in the description. Don't forget to like this video if you found it useful and subscribe for my channel for more AI-powered creative tools. Alright, so much for today. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one. Bye bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.